Hello everyone, I am Hashim Bawa. Welcome to Daily News. Biden's candidacy in crisis as Clooney, US Senator called on him to quit. Actor and donor George Clooney says Biden will lose the presidency, House and Senate if he does not step aside. United States President Joe Biden's steering re-election campaign has plunged deeper into crisis amid a fresh wave of pressure from allies concerned about his age and fitness, with actor George Clooney and several top Democrats joining calls for him to step aside. Israel orders Palestinians to leave Gaza City as Doha truce talks continue. The Israeli army has warned the Gaza City will remain a dangerous combat zone. The Israeli military has ordered all Palestinians to leave Gaza City and head south as it presses ahead with a fresh offensive across the north, south and central area of the Gaza Strip that has killed dozens of people over the past 48 hours. Archegos founder Bill Hung convicted at fraud trial over phones collapse. The Archegos meltdown sent shockwaves across Wall Street and drew regulatory scrutiny on 3 continents. Archegos Capital Management founder Sung Kook Bill Hung has been convicted of fraud and other charges by a jury in a Manhattan federal court at a criminal trial in which prosecutors accused him of market manipulation ahead of 2021 collapse of private investment firm. On Wednesday, the jury, which began deliberations on Tuesday, found Hung guilty on 10 of 11 criminal counts and Patrick Halligan, his Archegos deputy and co-defendant, guilty on all 3 counts he faced. Hung and Halligan sat flanked by their lawyers as the verdict was read by a soft-spoken fourth person. Prosecutors say Alec Baldwin broke cardinal rules for handling guns. The Hollywood actor's trial has begun in Santa Fe 3 years after arrest cinematographer Halyna Hutchins' killing. A New Mexico prosecutor has argued that actor Alec Baldwin broke cardinal rules for handling guns in 2021 killing of Rush cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. CNN to cut 100 jobs and switch to paywall for website. Media organizations including CNN have struggled to grow audiences and revenue and are trying new offerings. CNN is eliminating approximately 100 jobs and plans to debut its first digital subscriptions before the end of the year as the news network leans into reshaping its business. In a memo sent to staff on Wednesday, CNN CEO Mark Thompson noted the news organization was cutting just 100 jobs out of a total workforce of approximately 3,500. He said that open roles were closed wherever possible in order to minimize the total layoffs. NATO members have pledged their support for an irreversible path to future membership for Ukraine as well as more aid. While a formal timeline for it to join the military alliance was not agreed at a summit in Washington, D.C., the military alliance 32 members said they had unwavering support for Ukraine's effort. Top Democratic fundraiser Clooney calls on Biden to drop. George Clooney has issued a damning call for Joe Biden to quit the US presidential race hours after senior Democrat Nancy Pelosi swerved questions about whether he should continue. The Hollywood actor and prominent Democratic fundraiser said that the president had won many battles in his career, but the one battle he cannot win is the fight against time. And these are the news for today, and I am signing off.